Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I just finished the counting cards exercise at Free Code Camp, and it got me thinking about games and checklists, because effectively this is a binary option. You have a number of different inputs, possible inputs, but ultimately there's only two choices to make. You either bet or you hold. And I was trying to think of other options where you have multiple inputs, but you still have effectively a binary decision. And so I came up with a school activity, or rather, do your homework activity. Let's zoom in here a little bit. So you'll see this is actually, I'm using WebMaker for this. It's very similar to CodePen. I could have used anything, but I use this. And what I've done is I set the cases to be homework done, 100% on exams. These are all positives, and then the negatives, behind in school, teacher recommended I get a tutor, etc., etc. And so the count, etc., is the same. Didn't change the actual algorithm. I just changed the values in the algorithm. And so I have two responses: go play or go do your homework. I should change this. So how do you test this? It looks like I've got duplicates here, but that's fine. What I'll do is I'll select this entire phrase, and then I will go to the console, inspect console, and now I type in that response, hit enter, and I get a -1, go do your homework. And I can try this one as well. Yes, I know I have a duplicate. So I grab that one and paste works. Paste as plain text down. Copy. Paste as plain text. Okay, that's not working for some reason. Let's try this one. Control C, right click, inspect, console, paste. Get rid of that semicolon because it will fail. And the input is, you mean he got into Stanford? Enter. Undefined. Homework is undefined. Now, why did I get an undefined when it just worked? Isn't that interesting? Let's try it again. Wow, that is interesting. The copy paste is not working, so let's go to the original, and we'll try this one. I might be missing. Let's try that again. Okay, so it's very sensitive, obviously, because it's a lot of text in there. But the schools I want to go to only accept the highest performing academic students. -1, that means go do your homework. All right, this has been fun for me. I hope it's been interesting for you. Gives me pause about how many other simple situations can be reduced, or rather what appear to be complex problems can be reduced down to simple cases. In this case, because the algorithm is only evaluating for binary, yes or no, go play, go do your homework, bet, hold, yes, no, the input and the output is going to be pretty straightforward. What happens when you manipulate the algorithm to take into account for other variables, weighted variables, that will help you build, here's the magic word, an expert system. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and happy computing.